Welcome to this week's video, everyone. PK Adventure Travels is taking you to Fall Creek Falls State Park, located in Spencer, Tennessee. As you can see, we still have a bit of a ways to get into the park, so sit back, buckle up, and let's head on in. As we're heading in, some quick facts for you. The state park is about 30,000 acres. It has various places to stay, including cabins, campsites, and a lodge. It has a golf course. It has 30 plus miles of trails, including several waterfalls, as well as a canopy challenge, zip line, and wobbly bridge course. So there's really a lot to do for everyone.
And no trip to a state park is complete without a gift shop tour. So let's go take a look.
So this particular gift shop is at the main welcome center. As you can see here, lots of little trinkets, animals, birds, and hiking accessories. Well, that wraps up this one. Let's head to the trailhead base.
At the base, there is a little nature shop. So you have multiple gift shops around the park. Looks like they have little nature shows here. And there's a revolving video that you can watch. So a nice little nature center. Here's the kicker as well. There's no cost at all to do anything you are going to see here today.
All right, here we are at the trailhead for Fall Creek Falls State Park. And as you can see right behind me, right at the trailhead, there is a waterfall. So we are about to do some hikes and bring you some of the sights. So we started on the right-hand side at one of the Overlook points. We're heading towards the suspension bridge. And on the left side, there's another accessible walkway. So if you do want to still see the waterfalls but are unable to traverse some of the areas, there are a few accessible areas here. And we're looking at one of our other waterfalls. I'm sure we'll make our way lower. But here you are from up top. And we are getting ready to head over to that suspension bridge. Let's get cracking. What do you think, Mel? Can you do this?
Maybe.
Maybe. Would you like me to go first, or do you want to go first?
Hang on, I'm going to do first.
All right, here we go. Across the suspension bridge. Ooh, it's definitely got some shimmy. Go over here to our left. And then the falls here to our right. So the suspension bridge definitely has a little wobble to it, but it's not too bad. Wobble baby, wobble baby. Yeah, I said it. But we're definitely coming up to a heck of a lot of stairs here. And we'll bring you some more action. You got it! Nice little place to get out of the rain. And up we go. See that, everybody? No cheating. You gotta walk all the way. Ooh. All right, we're at our next turn. Fall Creek Falls and the Gorge Overlook Trail. So we got 7/10 of a mile. Ooh, now we seem to be a little bit better. That initial ascent was a murder.
But the good thing is, on the way back, it's all downhill.
That's true. We do have another incline coming up here, but we got a few steps before we get there. You can still hear multiple waterfalls. So for those who have never hiked before, that red sign about the switchbacks, let me just tell you, switchbacks are going to be the bane of your existence, because it would be so much easier going in a straight line that's 100 feet. With switchbacks, that could be like a full mile, half a mile one way, and then slight elevation gain coming back the other way. The time we did Niagara Falls before the channel started, we were heading from Vernal Falls up to Nevada Falls and asked them, hey, how close are we? Oh, they're like, oh, it's not bad, like 7 switchbacks. Yeah, that hike ended up being a grand total of 12 miles. With, what was the elevation gain? 2,000 feet? Something insane. It took us like 12 hours because although we did do some Stairmasters and training for about 6 months to get ready for it, woo, getting that on the trail was a lot more difficult.
But the views are worth it.
But yes, the views are generally worth it. So I'm looking forward to getting over here to the overview and take a bird's eye view of the waterfalls we saw at the start. Onward. All right, so there is the visitor center. So our first outlook point should be coming like right up around the corner here. Oh man, we're gonna have another steep incline coming back up the other side. But we are starting to head down to something. Well, I thought maybe we were close, but I don't see that outcropping yet. Wait, there's something coming up here. There's a sign coming up. So Fall Creek Falls is left. That takes us deeper. I'm guessing this way.
Yeah, that's the one that goes on the outlook this way.
Yeah, okay. Everyone, if you can see this descent, it's gonna be a bundle of joy traversing this the other way. Oh, whew. The hike, it was worth it. What do you guys think? And here we are, the Overlook. Just magnificent. Thanks everyone for stopping by. Before you head out, make sure to take a quick moment just to hit that like, subscribe, and notify button. It doesn't cost you anything and it really does help the channel out. We'll see you next time on the Scenic Route.